Hey guys, welcome. This is going to be my reveal of the Tamiya 148 scale Messerschmitt BF 109 E-7, otherwise known as an email. And without further ado, let's take a look at how it came out. Alright, there she is. I can't say enough about how good the kit is. It really went together well, and had no fit issues at all. The only really issue I had, of course, are the decals aren't great, and they were awful thick, and they were also brittle. So you got to be real careful. Make sure if you're going to use the kit decals to coat them with a gloss coat, or use the decal spray that I showed you. And I would honestly recommend, if you are going to do the kit, maybe get some aftermarket decals so they conform better and just look a little bit better. Otherwise, these worked fine for me. And as you can see, I have grimed it up a little bit. I tend to go for more subtlety, but I thought this one, since I used the Pilot, and I thought I'd make it look a little bit used. And I used for the wash and for the grime and the panel lines, I used the Flurry washes for the first time. And I decided to order some of these. I got 3. I got the grime, dark dirt, and a black. So as you can see, I of course I left some around the exhaust manifolds in this filter, the air filter there. You can see the raised detail, the rivets, they pop out. And as we take a look at the kit or model, you'll be able to see the definition that a wash gives you. I also used pastel chalk to give it some smoke stains, and also the machine gun stains up here. I did pose the model with the flaps down. It's a little fuzz there. Anyway, well, I said, why not? Because it comes with, you could either pose these out or in the level position. And I thought, well, they're giving me the option, why not just pose them out? And so I did. It's a fairly simplistic kit. It, again, it goes together extremely well. There's no engine inside here, so you don't want to, leave the the engine cowling. There's no reason to want to take it off. I know of some of the like Edward kits. They have a nice engine, and you can take the cowling off and display the engine. This one doesn't. It's pretty straightforward. Cockpit details is pretty good. It's going to be hard to see in there with Mr. Munchenberg. You can kind of see in there a little bit. Right before I hit play or record, this little insignia or squadron flag tore off. I don't know where the heck it went. So you'll see pictures of it in the slideshow, but it shot off somewhere. It was a decal. Okay. But otherwise, I'm pretty happy with it. I think it came out pretty well. It's not a showstopper or anything, but it turned out decent. Let's see a little bit here. Landing gear. I had a hard time painting this pattern. I actually probably did it 3 or 4 times before I got it the way I wanted, so paint kind of built up, and so having to use some skinny masking tape and just to try to get that pattern correct. I know it's an unusual pattern, but it did come out okay. It does match what you see in the photos and on the instructions. And then, of course, I save the pitot tube and the aileron balancers for the very last things that I put on. You can also see inside the, I guess those are air intakes. I don't know, someone may correct me on that. But otherwise, I'm pretty happy with it. It turned out pretty well. Alrighty, well, enjoy the slideshow. I've joined 2 group builds, so I'm going to get going on those. And I'll soon be posting up an intro video on the Harrier group build. And I'm also doing a group build on Facebook for the Cold War. And so I think what I'm going to do with that is just make film the build along the way and make one compilation video when I'm done with that plane. So but that'll be on Facebook. But otherwise, yeah. So my first BF 109 and my only second German Luftwaffe plane I've made with modeling and all that stuff. Alrighty. All right, guys. Hey, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. And happy modeling, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.